Advanced Guide to Authorize Net Accept.js. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Authorize Net Accept.js, a powerful payment solution that enables businesses to accept payments online securely and efficiently. To get started with Authorize Net Accept.js, you need to have an Authorize Net account and a basic understanding of HTML and JavaScript. The first step is to create a payment form on your website where customers can enter their payment information. You will need to include the Accept.js library in your HTML file and set up a payment form with the required fields such as card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, you need to configure the payment form to communicate with the Accept.js server. This is done by creating a token that represents the customer's payment information. The token is generated by sending a request to the Accept.js server with the customer's payment information, and in response you receive a token that can be used to charge the customer's card. To charge the customer's card, you need to send the token to your server and then use the Authorize Net API to process the payment. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth payment experience for your customers. Best practices for using Authorize Net Accept.js include using HTTPS to encrypt the payment form data and storing the token securely on your server. Additionally, you should ensure that your payment form is compliant with the payment card industry data security standard PCI DSS. In conclusion, Authorize Net Accept.js is a robust payment solution that provides a secure and efficient way to accept payments online. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can ensure a seamless payment experience for your customers and protect sensitive payment information. With Authorize Net Accept.js, you can focus on growing your business while leaving the payment processing to the experts. By leveraging the power of Accept.js, you can provide a secure and convenient payment experience for your customers and stay ahead of the competition in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce.